Maybe the origin.
Yes, and baptized in that kid. Me love you right now, like till I kid. Slap up your body when you're right. Voila, bless, bless. Come up and see if I'm not empty. Voila. But in sense, so when make you come quick. Love see you what they got a red stick. But you say I'm gonna red stick. Now make you come. Skillibeng Turn the check tip. But fucking like the head tip. They are all one in the head tip. Get them to wow, be your body. Proverbs 5, verse 18. It's your water that's best.
Listen, ladies, we ain't gonna fuck around with you tonight, ladies. We got this fucking go.
He said, say no. I see that in my mouth.
Wicked. You see what I say? We are the DJ act wicked nation people. Wicked and what me even believe. You see what I say? Yeah. In my work with your skilly. Everything was on fine first night. And look more in a Brooklyn, New York, it won't be no different. So people no make sure you no log on from coffee key. Because you don't know. Around 2 o'clock before bang bang run out. You see what I say? Yeah. And Johnny Wonder, big up yourself. You see what I say? Brando, big up yourself. You see what I say? No gimmicks business not dead about it. All of Gaza Nation. 10 star I say, watch, watch, watch. It's a great look for dancehall. You see what I say? No joking thing not dead about it. Yo, you see when Skillibeng I'll introduce French Montana. Oh fuck man. Oh fuck Gaza Nation. Can't get no better than that, my brother. I don't care if I ask some more. You see what I say? So, right about now, you know, I see some jockstrap sniffers. I run out and I chat this or that. I'm telling you something, my brother. Because nobody not tell you, but me personally, I don't know, me not care 1, 2, 3, 4 fucks, you know. What I think or what I want to say, you know. But me, I got just tell you straight. Let me tell you this. Yo, I don't know respect, my brother. From the artist now, nobody, my brother. Yeah, and that's just the common truth. All these blood clot ears on the dead, they are sniff from alkaline jockstrap. Him can't go now call out. Him can't go now shout out. Him can't go now, him can't go now duff plate. Him not go nowhere and big on up. You see what I say? One man alone you can't talk about. And I see him with the dye here. Because we see him go open and show for him down in Florida. Yes, you know all jockstrap sniffers, included CMR too. You see what I say? Yeah. Because here we are going. I see we not go like say, we don't want to run on no more for some man. And I call the man them grouping. We want to say I get crazy respect and crazy appreciation for what them do on YouTube. And just because that you're jealous and bad mind, so now come up with all kind of narrative. Yo, the people them who not there are running them out about, you know. And the people them who are listening to you know and are running them out, you know. All them not ask, you know, oh, we never see no artist yet. And they might show no respect now no at all. When I say the artist no roll them way there, no, him no respect on a bumper ass clad. And you no respect on yourself neither. So here we go on. You don't ever have growing man balls. You know, there's some little clown, my brother, we jump and run on the mouth for any and everything because I'm a clickbait specialist. You see what I say? Yeah, I'm a backstabbing reviewer. You see what I say? And personally, me know you solidify and certify jockstrap sniffers. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not there about it. But anyway, people, you don't know. The general, the 10 star wanna represent. And just stay tuned to the video. Because I'm going to show you know about a minute an interview after the show with the Brook and Brook artist. Boop, 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 brrrr. Wap 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 what? A crazy challenge. 10 star. General. I represent. What?
Push me down to jump over my skilly.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Big up New York. I love New York.
Better that man.
Yeah, man. So I'm gonna take a picture of the chair with two dogs.
All right, you want a photo? Shine.
He said, "You're gonna take a picture of something."
On the music.
Gaza.
Shine.
So I'm gonna post on the channel. What I'm gonna
Is that a video?